Good morning. Today I am going to show you room 1654 in the Grand Hyatt Baha Mar. You have a wrist bracelet to get into the room. The doors are pretty heavy. And this is it. You come in. There's a bank of closets. So plenty of room. And even an iron and ironing board. There's another closet with some drawers and a safe right there. Then there is the bathroom here. Nice big tub. I'm 5'9" and I could lay down in it. And then you have the stand-up shower with the rain shower head and another. Unfortunately, you can't run both of those at the same time, so that was a bummer. Does have a ledge. Now, super bummer. This is the toilet, with a see-through door and holes and cracks. Not to mention the fact that wide open to the rest of the room. Now there are doors that you can close over here to fully close this off, but I would not say they're very soundproof. You've got a double vanity. Hot water is ample and fast here. I will say that. That was wonderful. We kind of joked about the little couchy thing there. Like you're gonna sit and have a conversation with who's in the tub. Nice desk area. There is a mini bar over there and coffee stuff. The mini bar is motion sensor for the items, so they're gonna know if you take something out, and you do get charged the moment it comes out. Nice bed. Now this was a king ocean view room. This is just a Juliet balcony with this one. You can go out just a little ways. Both the ones above and below are full balconies, as you can see right there. This property was super nice. The pool area and whatnot down there is fantastic, and we really did enjoy it. But that's the room. So again, king ocean view. I hope this helped anyone who might be looking at booking a room here at the Baha Mar. This is the Grand Hyatt East Tower. Thanks and have a great day.